What's up, y'all? It's Libby here. And so we're gonna be vlogging today, and I hope you enjoy. So let's just get right into the video. I'm still in my PJs.
I'm not.
I forgot to change.
I'm a functional human.
I'm not. But we're heading on to the boardwalk.
I should disconnect from Wi-Fi, shouldn't I?
Oh, it's bright outside.
Oh, it smells like.
It's Ocean Day.
Woo!
The sand between my toes and water. Anyways, I'm just hoping I don't get soaked because I don't have any.
Yeah, we'll go back and put your swimsuit on in a little bit and make our lunches and then come back.
It's Libby.
Hi.
We're sitting on the porch. My mom's like, take a picture of the bird, and I'm like, I can't even find the robin.
Again, it's a cardinal.
Cardinal.
Cardinal, where did he go?
I don't know where the cardinal
Gone
went.
forever.
I hope not.
That's positive thinking,
I
Libby.
said just kidding. No, he's not. So technically it is.
I think I have enough.
Going all the way back up because I thought Libby or my mom got my lunch.
I specifically said, make sure you get your lunch. But what? Give me the key. I get to open the door. 'Cause I'm the responsible one.
Apparently I'm not responsible. We got out of the ocean.
Yeah. Woo.
It's Jessie.
She's only here for a couple hours.
You invited me?
I know. I'm saying you're only like at the beach for a couple hours. An entire day.
It's an entire day.
We're here for an entire week.
Yeah. And then she and I come back next week? No.
Next week, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Next Thursday, maybe?
Birthday party, guys.
Whoop, whoop.
Why'd you lock the door?
I didn't even mean to. Are you done?
No.
She asked her why she was wearing her necklace.
She's watching the Fosters. Annual trip to the crab cake.
I wonder how. I'm gonna keep track of how many times we go.
This is the first time, I promise. Right, Libby?
Yes. Hey!
So we're here, gonna be taking some cool pictures. Don't fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
And it's really nice down here. The sunset is beautiful. Everything's just gorgeous.
Sorry, I'm like doing things over here, guys. Oh my God, rocks!
And I tell her she is accident prone. You are going to fall.
Not the one that's in 3. All right, bye, Jill.
I had one job, didn't I?
She had one job: keep my shoes dry while I climbed on the rocks.
Show them the shoes.
They are not only wet, but they are sandy.
You seem salty, but
It's taking so long. Wait, we're not moving. We didn't press the button. Oh. Idiots. We're sitting here like, this elevator's taking forever. And then I look, Liana just turned so they can see just how close you are to the elevator buttons. No, she is right next to the elevator buttons, and I am all the way in this corner. Take your photo. So you'd think it was common knowledge that this one would press the button because she's literally leaning against the button.
good night. It's from Libby. They have like a wall built.
I see myself again behind the light. I flicker. My shadow starts to bend into the night like a whisper. Because of you, it's never the same. Because of you.